Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. I'm Dharamjot Kaur here with the latest from the world of crypto. Let's have a look at the headlines first. Ripple expanding India presence, announces new hire. Cryptocurrencies rebound in tandem with stocks. Beanstalk seeks to raise $77 million to restore lost funds. Coinbase-backed Rain Inc. cuts jobs due to market downturn. CFTC sues Gemini over Bitcoin's futures case from 2017. Kiya.ai launches India's first banking metaverse. RBI says CBDCs could kill case for private cryptocurrencies. Ethereum surpasses $25 billion in all-time NFT gross sale. Ripple Labs, the issuer of the 7th most valuable cryptocurrency XRP, is expanding its presence in India. The US-based company last week announced its plans to hire a senior project manager in Bengaluru to expand its business with various central banks. Though based out of India, the project manager is expected to oversee the execution of numerous central bank digital currency projects. Ripple Labs, which has a real-time gross settlement system, currency exchange, and remittance network, has announced that opening of its Mumbai office in 2017 after naming Naveen Gupta as the country manager. Cryptocurrencies perked up Friday in line with the US stocks, which snapped a 2-day slide amid easing in crude oil prices and also an expectation that the non-farm payroll report may point to cooler labor demand, which could soften inflation concerns. In overnight trades, the S&P 500 rose 1.8%, led by gains in consumer discretionary, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 added 2.8%. Gold, a traditional safe haven in down markets, increased by more than a percentage point, underscoring the current uncertainty among investors. The Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries and Allied Countries said that they would boost the supply of oil by an unexpectedly large amount. The US and other countries have been pressing the organization to loosen its current limits to help lower energy prices. The price of Brent crude oil, which is a widely watched measure of energy markets, rose to $118 per barrel, a more than 53% spike since the start of the year. However, the recent rebound may be temporary as the crypto industry and its underlying tokens have been reeling under adverse economic sentiment, with companies firing staff amid expectation of tough market conditions. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at $30,500, up over 2.5% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, was trading near $1,800, up 0.5% in a similar time span. Other major altcoins too traded higher. Beanstalk, an Ethereum-based stablecoin protocol, will kick off a fundraising campaign on June 6 to restore $77 million of liquidity lost from a flash loan attack that drained $182 million from the project in April. The barn raise fundraiser will begin at 12 p.m. ET on June 6 and last until all of the so-called fertilizer tokens are sold. Beanstalk will sell 77 million fertilizer tokens for $1 USDC each and borrow that money in exchange for debt with a 500% interest. Fertilizer holders will receive a pro rata share of 1/3 of newly minted beans, Beanstalk's native stablecoin. The protocol said that about $10 million in funds, or 15% of available fertilizer tokens, have already been committed. As part of the fundraiser, Beanstalk will release the Barn Raise NFT collection, a 10,000-item non-fungible token series that will be available to the first 1,000 USDC contributors before the protocol's relaunch. Beanstalk will formally resume operations in early July after 2 separate security audits are completed. Coinbase-backed Rain Financial, a large crypto exchange based in Bahrain, has laid off dozens of employees amid a recent downturn in digital assets. Rain CEO Joseph Daligo released a statement confirming the downsizing of Rain workforce. The job cuts at Rain come as Gemini Trust Company, the crypto business run by billionaire brothers Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, slashed 10% of its staff. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, sued Winklevoss brothers-owned Gemini Trust Company LLC Thursday on allegations that the crypto exchange's staff misled the federal regulator. The case pertains to Gemini's 2017 effort to launch trading of what would have been a landmark Bitcoin futures contract. In a 28-page civil suit, the swaps regulator accused Gemini of providing misleading answers about how easily a Bitcoin futures contract's price could be manipulated during summertime meetings in 2017. The CFTC alleged that Gemini was trying to reduce the capital cost of market participants to boost trading volumes by loaning thousands of Bitcoins to market participants. Gemini also allegedly sent some customer advances, allowing them to immediately trade before the participants had fully funded their accounts. However, the suit does not specify if the effort was tied to Gemini's partnership with SIBO to launch the first Bitcoin futures contracts at the time. Kiya.ai, a digital solutions provider to financial institutions and governments, has announced the launch of India's first ever banking metaverse named Kiyaverse in Mumbai. Kiyaverse hopes to merge use cases of real-world banking with metaverse banking through avatar-based interactions. The Kiyaverse plans to have tokens as NFTs and support CBDC to enable open finance in a Web 3.0 environment, the company said in a statement. Kiyaverse will interface its open API connectors with aggregators and gateways to enable a super app and marketplace on the metaverse. Central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, could kill the reasons for the existence of private cryptocurrencies, Reserve Bank of India Deputy Governor T. Ravisankar told participants at a webinar organized by the International Monetary Fund on Thursday. In his speech, the Deputy Governor reiterated the RBI's view that private currencies should not be permitted just because they are backed by high-tech. Ravisankar said that understanding the limitations of technology was crucial in managing how it was infused into the economy and society, such that people did not fall prey to the hype that technology can create a currency. The central banker's latest salvo against private cryptocurrencies comes ahead of the release of the government's consultation paper on crypto. Ethereum, a popular NFT blockchain, reached a milestone of approximately $27 billion in all-time gross NFT sales as of May 31st. The chain is popularly accessed for purchase, sale, and possession of digital collectibles. A 148% increase in unique shoppers from August 2021 led to a spike in new buyers during Jan 2022. The monthly sales volume peaked at $3.98 billion in May, which is an advancement for the chain as Ethereum's native asset ETH fell below $2,000 in the same month. The historical milestone puts Ethereum ahead of Ronin, Solana, Flow, and Polygon as the top 5 NFT blockchains with the highest all-time sales. That's all for today's news. I'm Dharamjot Kaur signing off for now. Keep watching Crypto TV.